Hey guys, this is Heather. For some reason I've been thinking lately about how much I love chickpeas. The texture, the versatility of flavors, the nutritional benefits, they all add up to this amazing little package. And so I wrote an article about the health benefits of chickpeas, which you can check out from a link down below. But I also wanted to share some recipes of things that are a little bit out of the ordinary. So we all know hummus. We put chickpeas in our salads. We do roasted chickpeas for snacks. We can add chickpeas to soups, maybe even throw some in a stir fry or a pasta. But I wanted to give a few different ideas that maybe you haven't tried before. So I've got 4 others linked in the article, but I wanted to show you one today, which is an idea I got from looking at a recipe online, which I sometimes do if I'm perusing restaurants, if I'm going to visit somewhere and I want to see where we're going to eat. So I was looking at this Italian menu and they had listed a chickpea crostini, and I thought, ooh, that sounds really good. We didn't go, so I didn't get to try it, but I've had it on my mind ever since, and so I thought I would try to make my own version. Now, I have not done this before, so we're gonna figure it out together, but it starts with all kinds of amazing ingredients, so I know it's gonna turn out awesome. However we get there, we are gonna get there. Are you ready? So, I mean, you look at what we've got here and you really can't go wrong. It's just about how much and how we prepare all of this. So, starting with some chickpeas, some olives for savory goodness, a little bit of garlic, some fresh sage because I have some and I want to use it up, as well as some fresh parsley because you can never go wrong with fresh parsley, and some ground sage. So if you don't have fresh, or if you want to do a combo, you can do that. Give it a taste here because that's basically all there is to it. Yum. Yum. Love the savory olives with the sage. Normally I don't like sage at all, but somehow I really like it in this instance. Now you can add a little bit of olive oil if you like to bring it together and to give it a little bit more savoriness. I think if I had some nutritional yeast, I'd probably throw some in there right now. Just, you know, a tablespoon or so, just to add to that savory quality. But totally fine without. It's really delicious, actually. I like the flavor lingering in my mouth. Really nice. So to make proper crostini, you'd use a baguette, slice it and brush with olive oil and then toast. I'm using corn cakes, which I like because they're like rice cakes, but they're super thin. So whatever you prefer, just take a scoop and form it on top. Well, that was a really easy little appetizer to whip up. I put 3 chickpeas on top as a garnish. You could add some black pepper. You could bake these if you want to make them warm, soften the parsley and the garlic in there, or you could just eat them as is. Yum. Super yum. Hope you enjoy. I'll put the recipe down below and you can get making this for yourself. Be sure to leave me any comments with any variations that you make for yourself. Subscribe for new updates and we'll talk soon. Bye guys.